ನೆಲದಡಿ ಇರುವಂತಹದ್ದು.
ಅದೇಪ್ಪ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾನೈಟ್ ಅಂತ. ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲನನ್ನು ಪಾಷಾಣ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರೆ. ನೆಲದಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಲ್ಲು, ಬೆಲೆ ಬಾಳುವ ಕಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪಾಷಾಣ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಕನಕಪುರ, ಗಜೇಂದ್ರಗಡ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸುವುದು ಅಂತ. $56 lakhs is what has been agreed and you have deposited that amount. 32 you have paid at the time of agreement. 24 you have deposited before the court.
30 lakhs 32,000 was the amount deposited. Consideration was 5375.
Sorry?
Consideration was 5375.
That's right.
The amount received during the agreement execution.
That's
of
okay.
agreement,
Roughly about 56 lakhs. That's what they say. 32 lakhs you have paid, 34 lakhs you have deposited.
No, my lord, exactly it is 5375.
Now, how much more based on that?
He is a government employee.
No, otherwise I will admit the matter. ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾಕೆ?
But there is no, we will argue the matter, my lords, on the merit. That's not the issue. But not be able. As he by wife and children. Partition happened in 2000 itself.
ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಗತ್ ಕೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತರ್ಗು ದಬಾಯಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಂತ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫೇವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್. ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ತರ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತೊಂದರೆ ತಾಪತ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೇಕನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Look at the judgment that I have passed. It's a reported judgment. I have followed the Supreme Court. Look at it where the court has got the discretion. Of course, only one point is this appeal is not on the specific performance, it is under the partition. That is the only distinction. Look at the discussion that I have made. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಅದು 2002ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ 24ರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ, ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 2:30 ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಗೋಡಾಯ್ ಮೈದಾನ 2:30.
Number 65, Gangireddy BV.
ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
ನಾಳೆ
ಬೇಡ, ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಒಂದ್ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಆಗಿರೋ ಹುಣ್ಣು. ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಗಲೀಜು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶುದ್ಧ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ Gangireddy.
Gangireddy.
For the respondent.
Well, this case,
Yes, sir.
I required to pay the amount to the office for preparing the paper book. But I could not be able to contact my client because he changed his address.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Also, can grant me on 2 weeks time.
Despite granting sufficient time, somehow ₹6,000 for preparation of paper books not paid by the appellant. Counsel for the appellant submits that despite best efforts, he could not contact the client. Placing his submission on record, appeal stand dismissed for non-prosecution.
Number 66.
PM Sitmalappa,
Sitmalappa PM.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
Week's time may be granted. Week's time.
No, sorry, sir. Kindly argue the matter. This was notified when this court took the roster of this RFA in the warning list. Later on, it has come in the regular list.
Please.
Kindly argue the matter. If you are not arguing the matter, I will be dismissing it for non-prosecution. suit for partition came to be dismissed.
Please, Lordship.
Say how it is wrong.
The earlier point of time, Lordship, the property was allotted to in the name of the mother of the plaintiff and defendants.
Correct, sir.
And subsequently, it was acquired by the CITB.
Hmm.
And mother was given a representation to the allotment of site.
Hmm.
On that occasion, Your Honor, the fourth defendant, on behalf of mother, he filed the application before the CITB, and subsequently lease cum sale was executed and BDI was executed the sale deed.
Hmm.
On that regard, Your Honor, the suit scheduled property belongs to joint family property of the plaintiff and defendant. The defendant number 4 has not exclusively right over the property.
Hmm.
On that regard, the suit for partition was filed.
Sir, it all about the reconciliation meeting where it has been agreed upon that the site will be granted in favor of the mother on the ground that, it will be for and on behalf of the joint family is your contention. To prove that conciliation meeting, show me what is there on record except PW2 oral testimony. Who is your friend? That's all the case.
Is it that? I have
Case
produced
is
it.
only that. You say reconciliation meeting ಇತ್ತು, ತಾಯಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು, ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ವಿ, ಅದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸು.
But earlier, the allotment was in the name of the mother, Your Honor. In the
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ,
society.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ. ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತೋ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ರಿಕನ್ವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, first mother ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. That was admitted. The only the fourth defendant saying his version, Your Honor, he has paid the money to mother on that occasion. He has taken a lease cum sale from the CITB. That is a defense of the fourth defendant. Fourth defendant admitted the site in the name of mother.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Full prepare ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ವಜಾಗಿರೋ ಸೂಟ್ 2007, 17 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Suit is of the year 2007.
Next week ಅಲ್ಲಿ need it. I am.
No, sir. Sorry.
Please,
ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್
Lordship.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು. 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ತಾವು? ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ಲೇಟು. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ 2 ಸತಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Next week, need it, please, Lordship.
Your suit is dismissed. Kindly read para 27 and 26 onwards of the impugned judgment. ಓದಿ ಸರ್.
Para 26, please. The plaintiff government as well as during the evidence, the plaintiff has stated that after exchange of notice and a conciliation meeting was held in between the parties to the suit, and ultimately the understanding took place between them that the scheduled property has to be divided after tracing out the defendant number 6 who was missing on that day. It is to be noted that during the cross examination, the defendant number 2 has admitted that the poor has not